Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter properties. The lessons we're going to cover today are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division terms, understanding parentheses, properties of addition, solve using properties of addition. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 3 math. The chapter we are on right now is properties. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division terms. Okay, in this problem, what is 45? So basically, you are dividing 45 by 16. That is like this: 45, 16, 2, and remainder you are given is 13, right? So you have to see what is 45. Basically, you need to learn the terms related to multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. 45 is the, this is the divisor, this is the dividend, this is the quotient, and this is the remainder. The question is, in this problem, what is 45? So 45 is the dividend, right? That is the number you are going to divide. So it is known as dividend. That is the dividend. So 45 is the dividend. Let's just start with the test questions. In this problem, what is 60? 76 minus 60 equals 14. So 74 is the subtrahend, the greater number is the subtrahend, the smaller number is the minuend, and 14 is the difference of the subtrahend and the minuend. So 60 is the option 1. I think minuend, let me check. Oh, that is subtrahend, sorry. The greater number is minuend. In this problem, what is 8? 58 divided by 25 equals 2 R8. 8 is the remainder. The correct option is remainder. 8 is the remainder. In this problem, what is the 8? 8 is the divisor. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. In this problem, what is 40, which is the correct option? 40 is the sum of 8 and 32. Very good. The correct option is sum. In this problem, what is 81, which is the correct option? 81 is the sum of 76 and 5. The correct option is sum. In this problem, what is 24? 24 is the quotient. The correct option is quotient. Option number 2 is the correct option. 24 is the quotient. In this problem, what is 0? That is remainder. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is understanding parentheses. Okay, so 79 minus 33 plus 36. So these are the parentheses. They are the parentheses, right? So everything that is written inside the parentheses, you have to solve first. Whatever operation it is, you have to perform this operation first because they are written in the parentheses. So parentheses has the highest priority over everything. So you have to perform the operation that is inside the parentheses first. So here that is the subtraction. So you need to subtract first. 79 minus 33 is 46. 46 plus 36 makes 82. Let's just start with the test questions. 5 plus 64 minus 53 plus 37. So the first thing is you have to solve the parentheses. 64 minus 53. So that is 64, 53. 9 it is. 5 plus 9 plus 37. So 9 plus 64 minus 53 is 11. Sorry, not 9. 11. So let's just add 37. 11 and 5, 7, 8, and 5, 13, 3, 1, 4, and 1, 5. That is 53. The correct option is option number 1. That is 53. 2 plus 72 minus 23 minus 49. So solve the parenthesis first. 42, 72 minus 23. So 72 minus 23 is 49. So 2 plus 49 minus 49. So 49 minus 49 makes 0. So you are left with 2 only. The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option, that is 81 minus 66 plus 11. So you have to solve the parenthesis first. 66 plus 11 is 77. So 81 minus 77 equals 81 minus 77 is 4. Option number 3 is the correct option. 61 plus 17, 45 minus 37 is, so you have two parentheses over here. You can solve them step by step. Solve the first one and then the second one. The first one is you need to add 61 plus 17, that makes 78. The second one is 45 minus 37, that is 8. So 78 minus 8 is 70. Option number 1 is the correct option. that is 70. 42 minus 88 minus 51. 88 minus 51, you have to solve the parenthesis first, that is 37. So you have 42 minus 37. So the correct option is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is properties of addition. Let's just start with the lesson. Which property of addition is shown? 6 plus 5 equals 5 plus 6. So that is the commutative property. If the order of the addends are changed, the numbers are same. That is the. Let's just start with the test questions. We're going to learn the properties of addition. Which property of addition is shown? 5 plus 6 equals 6 plus 5. So you have both sides, the numbers are exactly same. Just the positions of the addends are different. So that is the commutative property. The correct option is commutative. Which property of addition is shown? If you have three numbers, their positions are different and parentheses is involved, so that is known as the associative property. The property with three numbers is associative property. Which property of addition is shown? So you have three numbers involved, both side their positions is different, and we have parentheses there. So which is the correct option? That is the associative property. Which property of addition is shown? 4 plus 0 equals 4. That is the identity property. Whatever number you're adding to that 0, the number stays the same. That is the identity. Which property of addition is shown? Very good identity property it is. Which property of addition is shown? The correct option is commutative property. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which property of addition is shown? 1 plus 8 plus 5 equals 1 plus 8 plus 5. Which is the correct option? The correct option is associative. Very good. Which property of addition is shown? Which is the correct option? That is the associative property. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which property of addition is shown? 5 equals 5 plus 0. So, which is the correct option? That is the identity property. The correct option is identity. Which property of addition is shown? 8 plus 0 equals 8, which is the correct option. identity property it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is solve using properties of addition. So we have learned the properties of addition. Now we're going to use them and we have to see how do we add. Type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. That is the commutative property. For both sides the numbers must be same. You have 66 and 68 and 63 there. So the missing number is 77. Let's just start with the test questions. Using the associative property, type the missing numbers that makes the addition sentence true. So you both sides you have same numbers, right? 23, 94. 94 is already there. The missing number is 23. 75 is there. You do not have 75 here. So the correct option is option number 1. That is 23 and 75. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. So which number is missing? The missing number is 37. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 37. Type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. 18 plus what number equals 18? 18 plus 0 equals 18. The correct option is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. So 0 plus 23, 22 equals 22. The correct option is 22. Option number 2 is the correct option. Type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. So which number is missing? The missing number is 40. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. 12 plus 14, 97 plus 16 plus 93. So the correct option is 18 plus 16 plus. 93 is the missing number. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. The chapter we are working on is properties. The lessons we have covered today are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division terms, understanding parenthesis properties of addition, and solve using properties of addition. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the lessons questions. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. Okay, then that's all for today.